Welcome back to our Windows 10 tutorial series. In this video, we'll guide you on how to change the recommended troubleshooting settings in Windows 10. By adjusting these settings, you can customize the troubleshooting options that are recommended to you when issues arise. Let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. From the Start menu, go to Settings. You can do this by clicking on the gear icon. Step 3. In the Settings window, click or tap on the Update and Security icon. Step 4. Within the Update and Security settings, click or tap on Troubleshoot on the left side. On the right side, you will find a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the recommended troubleshooting setting that you want to use. You can refer to the screenshot below for a visual guide. Step 5. Once you have selected your preferred troubleshooting setting, you can now close the settings window if you like. That's it. You have successfully changed the recommended troubleshooting settings in Windows 10. Now you can customize the troubleshooting options to better suit your needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.